In this video, I will guide you on how to take action if your WhatsApp account is banned. If your WhatsApp account is banned when you open WhatsApp, this is the kind of error message that you will get. WhatsApp bans accounts if they believe the account activity violates terms of service, for example, if it involves spam, scams, or if it puts WhatsApp users' safety at risk. If you think your account was banned by mistake, you want to tap on the Request Review option in the app. Once submitted, WhatsApp team will look into your case and get back to you as soon as they complete their review. Remember that WhatsApp only reviews one phone number per appeal. If you do not see an option to request a review, it means that the ban is final and cannot be appealed. You can check the status of your request by opening WhatsApp. Keep in mind that contacting WhatsApp outside of the review process or through another user's account won't expedite the review process or impact the decision. Once your account is reviewed, a decision will be made by WhatsApp team and you will receive a notification from WhatsApp. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.